Have you ever tried a cinnamon vodka that smells amazing, tastes smooth, and doesn't burn your throat? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make high-quality cinnamon-flavored vodka at home. We'll cover two different methods: a fast method using flavor essence, and a more natural method using real cinnamon sticks. Laws regarding alcohol distillation vary by country and region, so always check and follow your local regulations before attempting this at home. This video is for educational purposes only. Alcohol consumption is for adults of legal drinking age only. Please drink responsibly and in moderation. Hi everyone, welcome to Shon's Homemade Drinks. On this channel, we make alcoholic drinks at home in a simple, beginner-friendly, and practical way. From vodka and brandy to whiskey, wine, and beer, everything is explained from scratch, even if you've never done this before. In today's video, you'll learn how to flavor vodka with cinnamon using a food-grade oil-based cinnamon essence, fast and easy. Natural cinnamon sticks, slower, but healthier and higher quality. The natural method takes more time and requires an extra distillation, but it results in a cleaner, smoother, and more premium vodka. For both methods, we need high-proof vodka. The alcohol content should be at least 60% ABV. The full tutorial for making vodka wash from white sugar and the proper distillation process are already available on Shon's Homemade Drinks channel. Make sure you watch those videos first before continuing. Prepare and ferment the sugar wash. Perform the first distillation. Collect the output down to about 20% ABV. Then, pour the collected vodka back into the still. Add the same amount of water to dilute it. Start the second distillation. Always collect the alcohol in small containers, separate the heads and tails, and keep only the clean heart cut. Don't throw away the very low-proof jars at the end. They reduce overall quality, but we'll save them to use later for final dilution. First, measure the alcohol percentage of your collected vodka. Use a dilution calculator or formula to determine the final volume of 40% vodka. For every 1 liter of final 40% vodka, add 7 to 10 drops of high-quality, food-grade, oil-based cinnamon essence. The exact amount depends on how strong the essence is. Close the bottle and shake it vigorously for 3 to 4 minutes until the essence is fully dissolved. Next, add 10 grams of white sugar per liter of final vodka. Shake again for 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. This helps soften the alcohol and balance the flavor. Now dilute the vodka to 40% ABV, using clean water and the low-proof alcohol you saved earlier. Loosely close the cap, allowing a little air to escape, and let the vodka rest for 7 to 10 days. This resting period helps the flavor stabilize and mellow. For the natural method, once again calculate the final volume of 40% vodka. Use 1 cinnamon stick per liter, approximately the size you see on screen, broken into smaller pieces. Cinnamon quality matters a lot. If the aroma is weak, feel free to use a bit more. Seal the jar and let it infuse for at least 10 days. Shake the jar once a day. After about 2 weeks, your vodka will look like this. If the aroma is not too strong and you don't mind the darker color, you can skip the third distillation, strain the liquid, and continue with the final steps. But for a cleaner, clearer result, during distillation, some aroma will be lost. So, For the third distillation, add the same amount of cinnamon sticks used earlier into the still. Pour in the infused vodka. Add the same amount of water to dilute it. Add the saved low-proof alcohol. And again, add the same amount of water. Start distillation. Discard a very small initial portion, just to clean the condenser. Collect the alcohol in small jars. Stop around 20% ABV, and carefully select the best aromatic heart cut. Remove both heads and tails. Measure the alcohol percentage again and calculate the final volume at 40% ABV. Add 10 grams of sugar per liter. Shake well for 3 to 4 minutes. Dilute with clean water to reach 40%. Loosely cap the bottle and let it rest for 7 to 10 days. After that, your smooth, clean, cinnamon-flavored vodka is ready. Cheers! Thanks for watching. Drink responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. On this channel, we regularly upload vodka flavoring with fruits and spices, homemade brandy, whiskey, wine, and beer, beginner-friendly distillation guides, all the equipment you see here, distillation kits, alcohol meters, bottles, and food-grade flavor essences are linked below through Amazon affiliate links. Thanks for watching, drink responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video.